Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. All you saw was cheese and bacon and you were sold. You hit click because you wanted to see what was going on in this kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cheesy bacon ranch potatoes in the oven. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. Let's do a quick rundown. We have our potatoes here, and the only thing I did was chop them up into these small pieces like this, bite-sized pieces. We have cheese. I'm using some Colby Jack cheese. If you just want to use regular cheddar cheese, that's fine. We have our bacon here. This is about 6 slices of bacon. I chopped them up into little bitty bite-sized pieces also. We have some butter, chili powder, some fresh parsley, garlic powder, ranch seasoning, pepper, olive oil, seasoned salt. And right here we have minced garlic with red chili flakes in it. Now you don't have to have the red chili flakes. You can just use regular minced garlic, but this is what I had. I think it'll just add a touch of that heat to it, which I like. So let's go ahead and get to it. Guys, this is a quick, easy recipe. We're gonna just start adding most of our ingredients here to our bowl with the potatoes. So we're gonna start off with our olive oil because we're gonna use that as a binder. Let's come behind that with our chili powder, our minced garlic, our garlic powder, our ranch seasoning, black pepper, and our seasoned salt. All we're gonna do now is just go in there with our hands, get all that mixed up. Guys, this is what we have. All right, so now we're gonna trade places with our potatoes for this baking pan. And we're just gonna spray this with some cooking spray. We're gonna spread our potatoes into our pan. And as much as possible, if we can get them in a single layer, so you wanna get a big enough pan, that way you can get these babies in a single layer, spread it across with a little bit of space in between if you can, just a little bit, not where they're all on top of each other. Looks like we're gonna be able to accomplish that here. All right, that is looking good. So this is how we want it, one single layer. I've already preheated our oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna cover our pan with aluminum foil. And we're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna let it bake for 20 minutes covered. Then after that 20 minutes, we're gonna pull it out, take off the foil, another 20 minutes uncovered, and then we're gonna be ready to jump into quality control. So let's get this baby in the oven. Okay, so while our potatoes are cooking on that first 20 minutes, we're gonna start preparing our bacon. We're gonna heat up our cooktop. I have a little bacon grease right here. Just start it off with a little bacon grease, heat that up. Although I know bacon makes its own grease, but I like to add a little olive oil or some type of oil to get my bacon started off. And as that comes up to temperature, we're gonna add our bacon. And we're gonna get this moved around in here. All right, guys, so it looks like we are there. We're gonna go ahead and turn our heat off, and we're gonna remove our bacon and add it to an empty dish. Set it aside until our potatoes are done, or almost done. All right, so we're about 20 minutes in. Let's remove our foil. So this is where we're at in this stage of the recipe. So now I'm gonna take our butter. Before I put it back in, I'm gonna take our butter, add our butter here. This is like 2 tablespoons, and I just sliced them up to little bitty pieces, or squares, should I say. We're gonna sit them there. We're gonna stick this back in the oven for another 20 minutes uncovered, and then we're gonna come right back. All right, so we're back after an additional 20 minutes into the oven. Now we're gonna take some of our bacon, and we're gonna start adding that here. This is probably a little bit under half of the bacon. And we're gonna take our cheese, and we're gonna add that to the top. And guys, what you also can do, if you had some ranch dressing, before you add your cheese, you could put you some ranch dressing right up and down here like that to give it some of that additional ranch flavor. We're gonna take some more bacon and we're gonna put that on the top like that. Looking good already, guys. And I'm just gonna take a little seasoned salt. I'm gonna sprinkle it over the top like this. Of course, this is optional. And we're gonna stick it back into the oven for about 1 to 2 minutes. We're gonna allow that cheese to melt, get a little bubbly, then we're gonna come right back. There you have it, guys. Cheesy bacon ranch potatoes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, guys. Let's jump into quality control because I know this looking good, man. Let's get to it. Let's go. All right, quality control time. Let's step into the front of the congregation. Guys, don't come through your computer screen. Don't come through the computer screen. I'm telling you now. It ain't real. Well, it's real here, but it ain't real. You can't eat it through the computer screen, all right? Or your TV screen. Let's go ahead and try this baby out. Man, this stuff looks good. Oh man, cheesy. I say this all the time. You can't go wrong with cheese and bacon. And potatoes. It's always a winning combination. But guys, definitely check this out. You can cook it any day of the week as a side or as your main course. It just depends on who you are. I'm eating this as a main course right now. So until then, y'all know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.